Hello. In this presentation, we're going to look over the definition of acceleration. Acceleration, as you know, it's defined as the change in velocity over a given time divided by the time taken for this change. The mathematical equation defining acceleration is the acceleration is equal to the change of velocity divided by the time taken for this change. So acceleration is symbolized by small a is equal to the change of velocity, which is v minus u, where v is the velocity directly after the time interval and u is the velocity just before the time interval. So we can say that u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity, divided by t, which is the duration of the time interval over which the acceleration takes place. Note that this equation only works for motion in a straight line. The acceleration is measured in units of meters per second squared. The acceleration due to the force of gravity is 10 meters per second squared. This means that every second, a falling object travels 10 meters per second faster than in the previous second. So, after 3 seconds of falling, an object will be traveling at 30 meters per second. This is the same speed as a fast-moving car. Let's check this question. How fast will a dropped object be traveling after 5 seconds if it has the acceleration of gravity? Yes, we say that if it has an acceleration of 10 meters per second squared and it's accelerating in 5 seconds, then 10 meters per second squared multiplied by 5 seconds is equal to 50 meters per second. Let's check your answer. Good job. Let's revisit the equation described here. So in this equation, we said that the acceleration is the change of velocity divided by the time taken. However, if we have the acceleration and time, we need the change in velocity. The equation is rearranged to give that v minus u, which is the change of velocity, is equal to the acceleration multiplied by time. This equation we have applied in this question. We said that the acceleration is 10 meters per second squared and it's accelerating in a time interval of 5 seconds, we get the change in velocity, which is 50 meters per second. In another question, they may ask you about the change in time. So this equation is rearranged to give time is equal to the change of velocity divided by the acceleration. That's all. Thanks for watching.